I'm turning yesterday's leftover shrimp into a quick, cozy shrimp fried rice. I start with a little olive oil and butter in a hot pan. Then I add onions and let them cook for a bit. In goes thyme, garlic, and ginger, just enough to wake up everything. Next, I add mixed vegetables with a bit of chicken bouillon, and then I let them cook until bright and tender. Then I pour in the cooked rice and gently mix so every grain gets coated. I season with oyster sauce, soy sauce, give it a slow stir. Add the leftover shrimps, pepper flakes, and a squeeze of lemon. Let everything cook together for a few minutes so the flavor settle and the rice gets a little crisp. Finish with a touch of butter, one last mix, and it's ready to serve.